finished, and we'll change the subject.
So do these two people believe in the Welsh government?
And they've got fairly diverse political views, so we have a bit of a barrier of other things where again the rest of us just zone out. It's easier to zone out rather than worry about it. But we've got one guy who eventually will gradually.
It's 4 millimetres a foot, but it's a wider gauge than the double O. The double O is too narrow. It's not.
Oh right. Yeah. I need to. So the number that's on the website for this show.
Yeah.
Does that go to your club?
I work for the electricity board and I put a supply into a housing estate there. And like I said, I've not been changed to the junction.
I don't know whether the Canada's got those from there, but that's from there's an industrial estate there.
I'm doing that one news ready. Stop.
They got 2 trains there.
Now, eh?
Operator at
Because we're cunning plan.
Yes, thank you.
the first one.
Yes, right.
Contrasting trains, different directions.
No, it's not the same as that one. Not the same as that one. What it
I
is.
went down the wrong way, and that thing was leaning up, and I was
So whereabouts are you then? You're local?
Lambeth.
Oh, okay.
And Danes Court.
Oh, right. Funny enough, that's where I am.
Oh, really? There we are.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean,
Funny enough,
Nicholson Webb, opposite what was the pub, you know?
What was the
What used to be the
pub?
pub.
The Rada pub.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm not far from it.
There's two for me. This one down here.
Green one on the vans?
No, it's down here.
Right, you slip it down the end, Lisa. We'll have a contrasting colour on there. Nine. Does the small tanker speed on it? Yeah. Facing the wrong way, it's got a missing transfer. I can't believe that's peeled off. I'm amazed. The one that failed is slightly larger. Only just. Looked nice alongside it, but didn't work. Equal quality.
I need some water.
Oh, like little things like that shop Woolworths. I don't think I've ever seen one of those Woolworths. Goes with the era, doesn't it?
Coming in from there, yeah. There's the Cornish influence with the China clay running up. So there is actually, it's all detailed as to what trains would have run through that area.
Excellent stuff. Good driving, that. Good driving.
Operator area.
I was interested in your Basco Bridge because there's only one left on the whole network.
We don't. It's got it needs some fine tuning on the gear. It's got this like helicopter type.
Yeah.
It's lifted in a certain way. It is actually fine gears. Roger sat down on the end. Supply is supply of coal. Yeah, wow. Yeah. Into tractors and carts and wow. Blasted into the yeah. There's one that's still
Only on special occasions. Oh wow.
The electronics, I mean, like the solder a wire on.
Yeah. Although that is a good idea because there's loads of really nice cafes up there. I was going to suggest it.
Cardiff, yeah. So you've got your toilet, core, but you don't use much to make a model, which is good. Like fire engines. Oh, something mammoth. There you go. That's the way we are.
No, I don't want to go. Let's try something. I should be going now.
I visited him about a month ago. He wasn't there yet.
Yeah, we know Alex is doing it on purpose to show workshop.
I'll come over and see you again soon.
When they worked in the 70s, and then later.
Yes, no, just got enough speed, haven't you? No problem. Got to be help.
tell you what, Finn.
There's something wrong with that boy. Cars might come off there.
What on the...
Yeah, there's something wrong with it.
Yeah, definitely.
Is there something off?
No, just the point. The point.
On the point.
Yeah, we'll figure that out now. Right, Casey, watch the main line. Last I stand around and look.
Just cut me up on that one, please. Couple, yeah. So you go back up, pushing over the On couple. Oh, it's off, that's why. No. I'll come back to that one.
It goes so slow because you can't go very fast. You can't.
Very exposed, isn't it? No, they don't. I'll take it.
I don't like it.
Unless I have to make it up in the platform. That's all I don't do.
Unless they took it off when I need to go and pick up the freight before I done Mardy. Otherwise, it seems small.
Yeah, so it always used to be, I think if you face fitted, they would give you, because they're used to it, that's Oasis.